One of the things that motivate me to become a truck driver was my kids, to give them a better life.
My friends motivated me, and I say, oh, okay, that's good. So I have opportunity driving, but not have CDL, but that's why I have my CDL right now.
I used to know a store owner. He sold a store to get a CDL. He told me he think I enjoy driving truck. Another family friend who also he's an owner operator told me they thought I'd enjoy driving truck.